Welcome to my channel Life at Germany with me Vinu. In today's video I am going to talk specifically about how to fill the application form which is in German language. Let's see what are the different things you need to know while filling this kind of application form. So once you reach Germany and when you have to go to the city office and do your city registration, or if you want to enroll in a German course, everywhere you need to fill a kind of application form which is written in German. So at least in order to fill this form, you need to know some basic German so that you can fill the form easily. Let's see what is the first thing which will be there in application form. So in German, filling this kind of application form is called as ein Formular ausfüllen. Fill up the application form. Ein Formular, one application form. When you want to fill your first name in German, it is called as Vorname. Vorname is first name. The next, Familienname. It means family name, or you can say surname. So when it is written as Familienname, then you have to write your surname. Next, Nachname. Nachname means last name. Then you have to fill your last name. Then Geschlecht. It means gender. Whether you are male or female, you need to fill in this Geschlecht. If you are female, then you need to fill weiblich. Weiblich means if you are male, then you have to fill männlich. Männlich. Männlich means male. Then the next thing is the Adresse. It means you need to fill your residential address. So while filling this residential address, you have three parts: street name, house number, place, and then postal code. Let's see one by one. Straße. Straße is street name. House number. It means house number. Then Ort. Ort means place where you live. The next, Postleitzahl. It means postal code. When it is asked as Adresse, then you need to fill Straße, house number, Ort, and then Postleitzahl. Then the next thing is your telephone number. It is similar in German. Telephone number. Telephone number means it is landline number. If you have any landline phone in your house, then you have to fill that telephone number. Then handy number. Handy number is nothing but mobile number. There you have to mention your mobile number. The next thing, Geburtsdatum. Geburtsdatum. It means date of birth. So in German, you need to write the date of birth in this format: date month, and then year. Date, it is called as Tag, Monat, Jahr. The next, Geburtsort. It means your birthplace. So you have to fill your birthplace in this Geburtsort. Then Beruf. Beruf means your profession. Your working profession. So you have to fill your profession in Beruf. At the end of any application form, you will have these details: datum, ort, on which date you are filling this application, that you have to fill in datum, from which place you are filling this application, that you have to fill in ort, and then you will have Unterschrift. This Unterschrift is nothing but the signature which you have to put in the form. So where it is written as Unterschrift, there you have to put your signature. The next, email address. So here you have to mention your email ID. The next is Familienstand. Familienstand is nothing but marital status. So whether you are single or married, that you need to fill in this Familienstand. For example, if you are single, then you have to fill ledig. It means single. If you are married, then you have to fill verheiratet. Verheiratet means married. If you are married, then you might have few more questions like how many children you have. Anzahl der Kinder. It means number of children. Anzahl der Kinder. It means number of children. And then land. Land is nothing but the country where you are living. For example, now I am living in Germany. So in land, I will mention Germany as Deutschland. If your residential address is in India, then you need to fill in land as Indian. So today we learned simple things in order to fill a application form in Germany. Vorname, first name. Familienname, surname. Nachname, last name. Geschlecht, weiblich oder männlich. Geburtsort, birthplace. Geburtsdatum, your date of birth. Telephone number, your landline number. Handy number, your mobile number. The address, your address where you have to mention Straße, Hausnummer, Ort und Postleitzahl. And then Unterschrift, profession, that is called as Beruf. Familienstand, you have to mention ledig oder verheiratet. Anzahl der Kinder, number of children. Land, it means country. So with this information, I think you can fill some basic application form when you reached in Germany. For example, when you want to join the course, German course, or you want to meet at the doctor place and you have to fill some application form, whatever it is, these are the basic information which you need to fill in any of the application form. I hope you got some information about filling the application form. Let's see in next video with the other information about learning the German language. Until then, bye from Vino. Bye.